In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an animated talking avatar like me to help you grow your faceless YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and let's get on with the video. The first site we're going to use is Dramina AI. Dramina AI is a new CapCut text-to-image AI that helps you generate high-quality images from a simple, detailed prompt. And all the prompts used in this video will be in the description box below. To simply get started, go to the text-to-image button and click on the Get Started, and the interface will look something like this. Here by the left-hand side, you can see the prompt box. Right-click on it and paste in the prompt. Scroll down and set the aspect ratio to 16:9, and hit on the Generate button. Give it 1 to 5 seconds, and your image will be ready. You can simply preview them by clicking on the generated images and pick the one you like to use. But in this video, we are going to be using this one. To download this image to your device, simply click here at the top right-hand corner of the image, and your image will be downloaded to your device. Now the second part is to animate our generated image to a talking avatar using this free AI tool. But before we continue, if you're new to this channel, do well to subscribe to the channel and learn how to make faceless content for free and make thousands of dollars. That said, the site we're going to be using is Hailuwei New Image to Video AI. And if you enter the site, you will discover the site text and article are in Chinese. That is because the site is a Chinese-based website. So make sure to turn on your browser translator, scroll down to Creative, and click on the button. And here in their video creation space, to get started, simply click on this image icon and click on Upload to upload your downloaded image. In the next video, I will be showing how to create viral hybrid animal videos for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. So subscribe and turn on the notification. After uploading the image, simply type in this prompt talking and hit on the Generate button. As for now, the site is still free for users to use. Try and like this video along with subscribing so that you won't miss out. Whenever sites like this are available, you will be the first person to make cool, engaging content with it for free. Click on the Generate button to generate the video. Currently, the free server is always full of users generating their content. So instead, I'm going to show the one I generated earlier to give you an idea of what the video will look like. If the server is full, the video generation can take up to 30 minutes. Now, let me show you how to remove the watermark from the video using this site 123 Apps. The link will be in the description box below. First, upload your video and highlight what you want to remove and hit the Apply button on the left-hand side. To download it to your device, scroll down to the left-hand side, click on the Save button, and make sure your format is on MP4 and the quality high, and click on Download to save it to your device. Now let me show you how to add voiceover using CapCut. Open your CapCut or any editing software and upload your animated character and the voiceover you want to use. And drag your animated character to the timeline, and also drag and drop your voiceover. Make sure the length of your voiceover and character is the same to make it sound like the voice is generated along with the character. Zoom in by using the zoom bar on the right-hand side, and cut out all the stops in the voiceover to make it sound more realistic and professional, using Ctrl+B to cut and Q to cut out the left-hand side direction, and the W for the right-hand side direction. If this video was helpful, there is more coming your way. Do well to subscribe and like the video and comment what video you want to see next.